Hello everyone. So today we're touring this magnificent 5 bedroom fully detached home located here in Lekki County Homes, one of the most secure estates you can get around here. Okay, so I've gone inside, I've seen the details to finishing, the spacious living area and every other amenities to give you and your family a perfect living area. All right, so before I flip my camera and show you in details what this home looks like, if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this amazing home. With that said, let's take a tour. So let's go inside and see what the exterior looks like. So this is the car park space. This is a spacious car park that can take up to 6 cars or more. So you have your home here, and I love these homes that are laced with glass windows, enabling natural light and ventilation. So that's what we have all over this home. So let's take a look at the exterior and we can go ahead and see what the interior looks like. So all your lights outside is already installed and they are functional. This here is your boys' quarters, as you can see, and it has its ensuite bathroom. So going further into the tour, we have our pool just behind the home. So this is your sit out area already installed for you. So you can set up your gazebo, put up your cover here, your shade, put in some flowers, and you're good to go. Now this is your pool, and this is quite a big pool. All right. Then going this way, this door leads you to the kitchen, but we'll see all of that from the inside. All right. Let's go right inside. So coming here, you see your neighborhood, right? See your neighborhood. This is a prominent estate here in Lekki County, and this is the home that we're going to be touring. So let's step right inside. Coming inside, you have this massive soundproof door. It has biometrics, facials, fingerprints, and when you step into the home, you have this area here that you can set up as your anteroom, and just across is where you have your powder room. This is actually a big powder room compared to what we see in other houses. You have your vanity right here, and yeah. So coming back this way, let's go to the primary living area. So this is your primary living area, and I love the glass windows. So when you come this way, you can see the view of your home just in this corner. And I love that it has double height ceilings. Over here you have your floor to ceiling TV console, and this is a chandelier. You see how we don't even have um the most of the lights are not even on, but because the home is laced with glass windows, everywhere is bright. Okay, everywhere is bright. So this is what we have for the primary living area, and you have this in this place. Then when you go further into the tour, this is your kitchen. Have your massive kitchen right here. This is your island. So this is your island. See how big it is. Coming this way, you see your space. You know, the kitchen is spacious. You have a large family. This is the kind of home that you should be considering to buy. You have your double door fridge already installed. You have your 5 burner gas cooker. You have your heat extractor. And of course, you have this here, and you also have another one embedded in the island. So this is your washing machine, and you have a lot of compartments for storage as well. You have your oven, you have your microwave, you have all essentials already in the home. So this door here is where you can set up your pantry. So this is the space that you can set up your pantry, and this door leads you to the backyard. So what do you think of this? So going further into the tour, we have one room downstairs, which is just beside the kitchen, which is right here. So this is your visitors room. And I love the fact that the um, wardrobe is embedded inside the wall. The ensuite bathroom is here as well, and that is your walk-in shower. So with this, I think we can go upstairs. But before that, let me show you another view of the primary living area from here. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so you have your staircase here that leads you to the that leads you upstairs. Of course, it has sensor light, so you're not in the dark when you are going up or coming down the staircase. Okay, so coming upstairs, you have your secondary living area where you can set up your family lounge. Your TV console is already installed. This is your TV console. So this is your family lounge. And just right here, you can oversee your primary living area. Beautiful view. So before we see the masters, let's see the rooms in this corner. Starting with this room. So this is what we have here. And you have your wardrobe just by that area. And this is your room. Your ensuite bathroom is right this way. And we have another room across this one. So this is it. See how everywhere is bright. There's no light currently in this room. See it, no light. But the flow of light is amazing. And I absolutely love the fact that developers these days are taking such feedback from clients. So this is your wardrobe. And here is where you have your ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. All right, let's go to the next room. So we've seen 3 rooms so far. So the fourth room. That's your wardrobe. This is your room. Your ensuite bathroom is right here. Okay, so we have this space here that you can turn to your box room. Maybe you can set up your inverter or even a mini library where your kids can have access to read, or you as well. So let's go take a look at the masters. So this is the masters. I love that even without light, you can see that there is no light in this place, and I can really feel the beauty of this home just with the natural light. This is very, very nice. So this is what we have here. So your TV console is just right here, and this is your master's bed. And over here is where you have, so we have a wardrobe here. We also have some units over here. And just by my right is where you have your ensuite bathroom that comprises of your bathtub, your vanity, and your walk-in shower. Okay, and that's the balcony right there. So let me know, what do you think of this amazing home? Located in a well-secured estate, a call-to-access estate filled with greenery. So this is the balcony. This is the balcony. And this is what your neighborhood looks like. This is what your neighborhood looks like. So let me know, what do you think of this home? This home is priced at 460 million naira. We have spacious rooms. We have everything to make, your family living experience here really beautiful, as you clearly saw during the tour. So if you'd like to make this your home in 2026, you want to start calling us right now to book an inspection for this home. And we cannot wait to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.